Standing deep breathing delivers physical benefits to numerous systems in the body, including the respiratory, nervous, musculoskeletal, and circulatory fluid systems. This exercise improves lung function and promotes gas exchange, which is the movement of oxygen in and carbon dioxide out of the bloodstream. Long, slow exhales are key to the benefits afforded to the nervous system. Slow exhales stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system, which has a number of physiological effects. Parasympathetic activation brings balance to the nervous system, which is often sympathetic dominant. Standing deep breathing strengthens and stretches the breathing muscles and connective tissue in the throat, chest, abdomen, and upper back. It is an excellent exercise to increase shoulder and scapular mobility and strengthen the muscles which move and stabilize these joints. As the ribs attach to the thoracic spine, the movement in these joints with each inhale and exhale works to hydrate the intervertebral discs, helping to keep them healthy. As we breathe, the pressure changes in the abdominal and thoracic cavities changes. These pressure changes work to increase circulation to the heart and lungs. Finally, the action of the diaphragm as we breathe stimulates lymphatic fluid movement, important for fluid balance and immune function. This is by no means a comprehensive discussion on the physical benefits of standing deep breathing, but I hope it has provided some insight into the power of this amazing breathing exercise and the benefit it offers.